Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now today we will take find order and degree of the differential equation. Such type of examples very important occurs as an exam for 2 marks question. Order carries 1 marks, degree carries 1 marks. And last class we discussed what is the definition of order. The order of the differential equation is defined as the given differential equation, which one is the highest order, that one we consider as order of the differential equation. Okay, that is in this equation, which one is the highest order? d2y by dx. Okay, next degree of the differential equation. Highest, the power of what? The power of highest order occurring in the differential equation. We call it as degree of differential equation. Last class we discussed. Now let me know order and degree. See here. Order and degree. Okay. See here. This is dy by dx. It is d2y by dx. Which one is the highest order? d2y by dx. Order is 2. Okay. And their corresponding highest order power. Highest order power is what here? 1. Therefore, degree is 1. Order to degree. Next, in this case, order. See, order is what here? ds by dt. Here, ds by dt means it is order is 1. Okay, degree here. d2s by dt square. Sorry, order d2s by dt square. Order is 2. Means comparatively here, which one is highest? This one. Therefore, order is 2. And next, degree. See, the degree of the differential equation is highest order power. This is the highest order. Its power we are taking. Its power is what? 1. Understood? Here, let me know. See here, it is 4. It is highest, but we are considering the degree is the highest, the power of highest order. The power of highest order of the differential equation. Okay. Next this one. See order. See order is what here? dy by dx. Order is 1. Next degree. See in this case it is not a polynomial function. Therefore degree is not defined. Because when it is infinite values, it is not a finite. Therefore in this case what? Degree is not defined. Next here. Order. Order. See. Highest order is what? d2y by dx. Okay. And degree. See, in this case, degree is not defined. Why? This log is enclosed with the dy by dx. Degree is not defined. Next here, order. Order is 2. Again here degree not defined. Remember that if dy by dx exists inside sine, cos means trigonometric functions, either logarithmic function or exponential function. In this case, the value become what? It is infinite value. Therefore, will not get a finite value. Therefore, degree is not defined. Understood? Order we can write, but degree is not possible. I think understood. These are the examples for 1 marks question. Sorry, 2 marks questions. Order and degree of the differential equations. Next one I will take. Next one is 1 plus dy by dx. 1 plus dy by dx. The whole square raised to 3 by 2. And that one equal to d2y by dx square. Okay. And the order and degree of the differential equations. See, for order and degree of the differential equation, already we know that if it is in the form of root or fractional form, first we have to replace free from the roots, then we can apply order and degree. For that, see, this is 3 by 2 fraction form. I will do squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. We get square less 1 plus dy by dx. The whole square raised to 3 by 2 into d2y by dx square raised to 2. 2 will cancel. It is 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. The cube is d2y by dx square. The tell me which one is the highest order here? Order is d2y by dx square is the highest order. Therefore, order is 2. Highest order power is 2. Therefore, degree is what it is 2. Okay. If it is in the form of what fractions, first remove that fraction. Later onwards, calculate order and degree of differential equations. These are the examples based on order and degree of the differential equations. Next is solution of the differential equation. In that solution of differential equation, there are two types. One is general solution and another one is particular solution. First, let me know what is the definition of solution of differential equation. Okay, for that, just I will take one example. With example, I will give the explanation. Consider the differential equation dy by dx plus y square equal to 0. Consider the differential equation dy by dx plus y square equal to 0. Okay, here we consider y equal to 1 by x. What we consider? Y equal to 1 by x. Now, if y equal to 1 by x, its differentiation is what? Dy by dx. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Substitute this value, which value dy by dx value in the given differential equation. That is, dy by dx represent minus 1 by x square plus y. What is your y? 1 by x whole square. 1 by x the whole square is 1 by x square. And these two get cancelled. Okay. Means equation become balanced. Therefore, the relation what y equal to 1 by x, what we say that if it is equal to 0, we say that y equal to 1 by x, y equal to 1 by x satisfies the given differential equation. Y equal to 1 by x is satisfy the given differential equation. And that one we call it as solution of the differential equation. That one we call it as solution of the differential equation. For example, if I take x minus 2 equal to 0, correct? This is general idea I will tell you. If I take x is 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0 means 0 equal to 0. Means we say that x equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Did you understand? In the same concept, we are using here the solution of the differential equation is what? Here y equal to 1 by x is the solution of the given differential equation. Why? We balance this equation. Okay, by knowing this concept, now I will tell you the definitions. Any relation is considered, any relation between dependent and independent variable. See, y is equal to f of x function means x is independent, y depends. Therefore, any relation between dependent and independent variable which satisfy the given differential equation. Any independent dependent variable which satisfy the given differential equation is called solution or an integral value of the differential equation. Solution or integral value of the differential equation. Okay, this is how we define what? Solution of the differential equation. Next is general solution. For general solution, see, we know that if y equal to, so if dy by dx, if dy by dx plus y square equal to 0, then y equal to 1 by x is the solution of the differential equation. Okay, in this case, if y equal to 1 by x, it contains some constants, say, for example, a, b, c, d, whatever. If it contains some constant and that one we call it as general solution. If you want to eliminate this constant, what we are doing here? Differentiation. If it contains only one constant, we are doing only one time differentiation. Suppose if it contains like this x by a plus y by b equal to 1, then how many number of constants are exist here? Two constants. Therefore, we are doing how many times we are doing differentiation? Two times to eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b, so that we can get the, it is in the form of differential equation. Suppose if it contains three constants, we are doing 3 times differentiation to eliminate that constants. Means here the general solution is a solution of the differential equation containing as many independent constants as the order of the differential equation. Okay, means here for example what we consider y equal to 1 by x plus a, where a is any constant. This one we call it as general solution. Okay, if you want to convert this general solution into differential equation, this if it contains only one constant, do only one times differentiation, so that we get dy by x. Suppose if it contains two constants, we are doing how many times? 2 times differentiation. That's why it is mentioned a solution of differential equation. What is mentioned? The solution of differential equation as many independent constants as the order of the differential equation. See, very interesting. See, if you want to convert this one, this is general solution. Okay, if it contains an arbitrary constant, for example y equal to 1 by x plus b or y equal to 1 by x plus a plus b, that if it contains arbitrary constants, then that type of values are we call it as general solutions. Okay, but if you want to convert this one is in the form of differential equation, for that just concentrate. If it contains only one arbitrary constant, we are doing 1 times differential, 2 arbitrary constant 2 times, 3 arbitrary constant 3 times. That's why it is mentioned. See, differential equation exists if as many independent constants as the order of the differential equation. This is called general solution. Okay, next particular solution. For particular solution, what is the constant is mentioned. In that constant, we have to substitute some values. Instead of a, b, c, d, we have to substitute the value, and that one we call it as particular solution. Okay, a solution of the differential equation obtained from general solution. Here, solution of the differential equation which is obtained from the general solution by giving a particular value to the arbitrary constant. By giving a particular value to the arbitrary constants that are involved is called particular solution. For example, if I take y equal to 1 by x plus a, if I take a equal to 1, and this one we call it as which type of solution? Particular solution. This is general solution, particular solution. Okay, now I will take examples based on solution of the differential equation. Later on, I will take general solution and particular solution. But I think